Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart POCO F8 Pro. Alright, we have two methods how we can restart our POCO. We have a simple reboot using the power menu, that's also the recommended method. And we also have the force restart. I'll show you both methods. Let's begin with simple reboot. All we need to do is to launch the power menu. Simply click power button and volume up button, and now select reboot function. Then, if you release your finger, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on and it will be ready to use. Also, performing a reboot from time to time is completely okay, and it's even good for your device health, because basically during that process our phone rests and also the RAM gets freed up, so it's really worth doing from time to time. When it comes to the force restart, this method is recommended, for example, when our device gets lagged or frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and we cannot do anything. To perform a force restart, we need to hold power button and volume up button until device turns off. So simply start holding both buttons until screen turns off. Keep holding. Okay, now we can release our fingers. We should see the POCO logo at any second. Yeah, here it is. And now we just need to simply wait until our device turns on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.